And welcome back to another video. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm in Central Park on the Veteran Sherman. Let's ride and have an epic chat. People of the world, hear me now. As we stand together on the edge of this era that will be remembered for centuries, and the choices we make today will echo in the lives of those to come. And every corner of this planet will face trials and tribulations. Some will be personal and some will be global. But all of them will be tied together in a way that reminds us of the constant truth that we are all in this together. It is easy to look at the world and see that everything is falling apart. There's conflict, there's division, suffering. These are all the things that we see. But if you look beyond the chaos and the hillside, you'll see something far more powerful. The spirit that lies within us. Underneath these powerful brains, we can overcome any obstacle before us. This is my call to you, people, to harness everything that your spirit can do. Be great. Be great for yourselves and your communities. Be great for the world. The world needs you now. The world needs you now more than ever to rise up, to stand up tall, and give each and every day your best. You need to start with the very first moment and end with the last moment before you go to bed, with nothing but pure, great, top of the line decision making and effort. The time has come for you to recognize the power and strength within you, that the changing of the entire world is going to start with you. You cannot afford to wait for the perfect moment or for some leader to come and guide you. You need to step up and be the best you that you can possibly be, and it is a guarantee that you will change the world. Show the world with your actions. Listen carefully to me here, now, the EUC NYC guy, as I rip, ride, and glide with my wheel through time and space. I can confidently and assuredly tell you the following facts. I want you to think of your families and neighborhoods, your cities, your countries all around the world. Listen, they are all a reflection of you. You are a reflection of them. You guys are all tied together as one spirit. Now you can shift left into cowardliness or shift in the other direction towards bravery. If you want, I didn't mean left politically, I just meant one direction versus another. If you want equality, be the one who stands for justice in his or her everyday life, everywhere you go, every time, every single chance you get. And the world will instantly become a better place. If everyone did this right now, at this very moment, the world would surely see a drastic improvement everywhere. In the lives of so many, we would see so much greatness unfurl. There is no doubt about it, or no question about it in my mind, that if we all instantly act with courage, honor, and integrity right now, everything around us will be super fantastic. Maybe not perfect, maybe not yet, but if everyone agreed to do this and did this all the time, we would have an incredible situation on our hands. A situation where the world's problems, no matter how big or how small, would be getting dealt with radically and efficiently and eradicatively. Let us rise again. We have stumbled, but let us rise again. Resilience is the foundation of our greatness as a species, as a human life form, and as a bunch of people socializing in this world, on this tiny planet, galactically speaking. We must put our hands together, hand in hand, as a community to address and solve all our problems efficiently and without delay. We are capable of incredible feats of engineering and incredible accomplishments with regards to understanding and learning our physics surrounding and the human body, and many other concepts at that as well. So why can we not figure out how to resolve our differences globally, politically, and as a community where we can accomplish so much in so many other areas of life? We need to compound our achievements by making sure that in the process of this greatness we have achieved and the perks we have been able to capitalize on aren't destroyed and ruined by bad decisions in one small area or one department. Let's make sure all our departments are well stocked and well equipped to handle any conflicts. And make sure that diplomatically all human species feel empathy for one another and want the gain for all as much as they want the gain for some, and want no harm and no foul to any other community, considering those communities just like our own. Why not believe that other people in other places also have the same feelings and the same desires as us? What if their desires really were the same as us? To work, live life, love, in the pursuit of happiness. Why not live and let others live and enjoy? Why feel the need for anything other than to coexist? For we are a great species and a community with incredible resolve. So I ask you today, will you, viewer of my video here on this channel today, rise to the challenge? Will you commit, not to perfection, but to trying a little harder? Can you stand up and say, I'm going to be better today? I'm going to be better today. Every day you get up and say, I'm going to be better today, until eventually you're so much better than so many days ago when you started being better each day. And you say to yourself, the movement started within me and the wave happened inside of who I was. And that's what changed. What changed was myself. And that change led to a ripple effect of changes around the globe. Look around you, people. Look around. We are the world. The world is us. Everything begins with us and how we communicate with each other and express ourselves with our surroundings. And guess what? The world needs us. We all need each other. And we're not talking about in some distant future, but we're talking about right now. We all always are here and in this together and always will be. We need to create a world where kindness and greatness and generosity are always the norm, and that these are the glorious feelings that triumph over cruelty and harm and dissonance. We need to defeat despair and hunger and destruction and conquer all of our anxieties and worries with love and preparation and community building and brainstorming and taking great actions and the right steps in the right direction. The world is watching. We are watching. We are all history. We are all making it happen as we speak together. Have a great day, people, Thanks for watching, and now a word from our sponsors. People, thank you for tuning in to EUC NYC Guy. Now, just so you know, none of these videos would be possible without the kind generosity of my sponsors. First up, we have eWheels.com. eWheels.com is the place where I buy all of my awesome wheels and wheel parts. These guys are professional, knowledgeable, so check out eWheels.com/NYC to support my channel and let Jason and the guys at eWheels know that I sent you. That's eWheels.com/NYC, and anything you purchase through that link will let Jason know that I was the guy who sent you over to him. Shout out to eWheels, and I love dealing with them. They really do work well, and I can wholeheartedly vouch for that and give my testimony on that, genuinely from myself. Okay, and our other sponsor, PidZoom. I am in collaboration with them, and please check out pidzoom.com/EUCNYC guy. And with PidZoom, there is a percentage of discount that you get and some sort of points accumulation or discount accumulation that I also get with my account with them. And you'd be letting them know that I sent you and that you came from me. Goodbye.